Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to add ClickUp tasks to Google Sheets automatically. I manage the task management in my business using ClickUp. Over here what I want is that as soon as a new task is created in my ClickUp account, to create a systematic record of all the tasks in one place, I want to keep the record of the task details in my Google Sheets. Now doing this manually is a very time consuming and hectic part. So to solve the problem, I will simply build the connection between ClickUp and Google Sheets without need of any coding and programming skills using this amazing software that is Pabbly Connect. So now if you want to see how this amazing automation is going to work in real time, with that you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create it. For that I will take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. Okay, I will add a new task in my ClickUp account. So I'll click on this add task. I will name my task as, let's suppose, as new issue created. Okay, so this is my task name. I will assign this task right over here to, let's suppose, dummy user. Okay, the priority is urgent. Okay, and this is the task right here. Okay, so I have selected task, dummy user, urgent, and the name is new issue created. I will save this task from here. And the task has been added. You can see new task has been created. As now this task is created, I will open my Google Sheets. And yes, in my Google Sheets, you will find a new entry of a task has been added. Date is 12th of November 2025. This is today's date. Task name is new issue created. This is the task ID. Status type is open. Assignee username we have selected over here as dummy user. You can see. And the priority is urgent. Okay. So this is how this amazing automation is going to work, where you can keep the record of all the tasks that you have created in your ClickUp account in systematic manner in Google Sheets, that too automatically. And now we will build the connection between these applications without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So on a new tab, I'll browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect, and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now over here, before we create this automation, I want to talk about Pabbly Community. Now Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here, you can share your ideas, feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay. So now on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, you will find two options. If you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, simply sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month and explore more features of Pabbly Connect. But if you're an existing user, just like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section, where you will see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this Access Now button, and you will then come to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to create a new automation inside Pabbly Connect, click on this Create Workflow button. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster, and flexible, select the new beta method version from here. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select this classic version. I will select the new beta method version. And firstly, we have to rename our workflow. So for the name of the workflow, I'll give it as Add ClickUp Task to Google Sheets. For the folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select Workflows folder. To create your own folder, from this plus button, you can create one. Okay, then click on this create button and the workflow is going to be created. As now this workflow has been created inside Pabbly Connect workflow, there are two major steps: trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows all the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. Firstly, we need to select a trigger application, for which I will select over here as what ClickUp. I want that as soon as a new task has been added in my ClickUp account, automatically this trigger should capture the response of that. Event is going to be task created. Then click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before, but I will teach you how you can add a new one. And then we have to provide the API token using which we are going to connect our ClickUp account to Pabbly Connect. To have this API token, log into your ClickUp account, go to this profile icon and settings option. In settings, go to this app section and this is the token. Regenerate the token from here. You have to enter your password in order to regenerate the token, okay? And this is the token. Copy this token from here, paste over here in the field and click on this save button. This is how you connect your ClickUp account to Pabbly Connect, okay? Firstly, we need to select the team ID. My team over here, if I'm going to go back, is in the name of what? Pabbly's workspace. So I will select this team ID. My space ID is space only over here. So I will select the space ID as space itself. You can see the space ID is mentioned right here. It's space. Okay. Next, it is asking for folder ID. My folder ID is what? It's daily task. You can see the space ID and in it I have created a folder in the name of daily task, and in daily task I have mentioned this list ID as list right here. Okay. So after selecting all the details from here, check it in your ClickUp account. Simply click on this save and send test request button, and in this list we will be creating the new task. Okay. So now let's suppose for the task I will add a dummy task right over here. So I will name over here as dummy task. I'm just doing this for the test. You have to name your task right away exactly however you want. Okay. So as I've entered the name, now over here I will select the create as task right here. I will select the person assigned, let's suppose as admin Pabbly Tudes. Over here if you want you can add the due date. I do not want that, so I will skip the part. For the priority I will give it as high right here. Okay, you can also add the tags according to your requirement, and I will save the task. The task is created inside my ClickUp account. Let me open my workflow and scroll down, and you can see in front of you the response has been captured. The name of the task is dummy task. I have received the ID of this task right over here. Status is open. You can see right here. If I'm going to further scroll down, over here the user's name is demo user. The user who's assigned this task to is admin Pabbly Tudes. You have selected that admin right here. If I'm going to further scroll down, you will see all the other details, priority as high and everything. Okay. So as now the response has been captured over here in my trigger, ClickUp has now been connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let us add this task in our Google Sheets as a record. We'll enter the date, task name, ID, status type, assignee username and the priority. Now how you can add it? For that, simply add an action step in which for the action application, select over here as what? Google Sheets. An action event is going to be add new row, then click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before, but I will tell you how you can add a new one. For that, click on this sign in with Google button. Now it is asking for us to choose an account that we want to connect to Pabbly Connect. This is the account. I will select it. Then it is asking for the permission for the account, for which I will click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. I have created a spreadsheet in the name of ClickUp new tasks, where I want to create the record of all the tasks. So I will select the spreadsheet from the drop down. Sheet is in the name of sheet 1. Okay. Then it is asking for the date, task name, task ID, status type, assignee username and priority. The headers that I've added in the spreadsheets, so your headers will be visible like this in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now we will enter the data under the headers. So now firstly it is asking for the date of the task is created. Now to have the date, if I'm going to search for the created date right over here, you can see right here the created date has been mentioned to us in a timestamp format, and we cannot enter the date like this in the timestamp format. So what I will do is I will simply go back. Firstly I will save these steps from here. Remember to save it or else the entire step will be gone. Okay. As I've saved it, now let's have the date. So add an action step in which for the action application, select over here as date time formatter by Pabbly, using which we can format the date and time according to our requirement. Event is going to be format date with time zone and click on this connect button. Now we have to enter the date that we want to format. So I will search for the date right over here, and this is the date that I want to edit. So I will select the data from my previous response. As now I've selected this data from my previous response, the data in this field has been mapped, and as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. For the from format, I will select the timestamp in millisecond because this is a timestamp in millisecond right here. For the to format, I want the simple date response. This is the date I want, so I will select it. From time zone is going to be UTC because timestamp is in UTC time zone format. And the to time zone, I want in Asia, Kolkata. That's my country's time zone. And simply click on the save and send test request button. And I have now received this date. Now, as we have received this date, we'll enter this date in the field date right over here. We'll map the data, okay? For the task name, I will map the date of the name of my task. For the ID, I will map the date of ID right over here of my task. For the status type, I will search for the status and map the date of the status type right here. For the assignee username, I will map the date of the assignee username. And lastly, for the priority, I will map the date of the priority right over here. So the priority is high, okay? So after filling in all the required details, I will click on this save and send test request button where I have received this response, which is a positive response. If I'm going to open my Google Sheets, you will see the record has been created. The date is 12th of 11, 2025. Task name is dummy task. Task ID is also mentioned. Status type is open. Assignee username is admin Pabbly Connect and the priority is high. Okay. So as now the record has been created in my Google Sheets, this is how you build the connection between ClickUp and Google Sheets without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. Now, whenever a new task is going to be created in your ClickUp account, automatically the record of that task and the details is going to be added in my Google Sheets using this automation. If you want to use the free template of this workflow that I've created right now, you will find the link of the shareable. You will find the shareable link in the description section below. Use it for your business. If you have any questions or doubts related to this workflow, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.